Hi, today let's make simple and super tasty mango coconut pudding, which is a very creamy and tasty pudding. First, in a bowl, you need to add condensed milk, then you need to add coconut milk and then desiccated coconut. Mix it really very well, combine it and keep it aside. Now, this will be the base for our mango coconut pudding. Now, let's make the mango mixture. In a blender, add in milk, then add in mango pulp. Mango pulp means which is only the pulp which I've added in the blender and made a smoothie of it, and then add in sugar. Now the mango pulp is ready. Now in a pan, add in this mango mixture and give it a good mix. Once it slightly starts bubbling up, add in corn flour slurry. The measurement and the ingredients are on the screen. Give it a good mix till it thickens or becomes this pudding kind of consistency, and keep it aside and let it cool. Now you can take the serving jars or containers of your choice. Now first what you need to do is add the base, which is our coconut base which we have made. Add it to the glass containers whichever you want to, and then add in the mango mixture to it slowly one by one, and then just make the just add the reason why I'm doing this so that it settles down, and then finally garnish it with some desiccated coconut. And your super simple, super tasty, must try in the mango season is this mango coconut pudding. Once you did this, keep it in the fridge for at least half an hour. Your kids will love it, you will love it. If you have some guests coming home, it's very simple to make and very different kind of dessert. Try it, make it, let me know your feedback on the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy.